Okay, so predictive analytics is used to make predictions about unknown future events, and it uses many techniques. For example, we have the statistical algorithms or statistical models. We have data mining, statistics, we have modeling, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to help in analyzing current data and make predictions about the future. So the aim basically is to identify the probability or the likelihood of future outcomes based on the available historical data. And this kind of analysis is extremely useful for a number of reasons. First, it can help predict we have fraud and other criminal activities in places in places like in business and other government departments. Also, it helps companies optimize marketing, this by monitoring the response and the buying trends of their customers. It can also help a business and organization to improve their way of uh, the way they manage resources by predicting busy times and also ensuring that stock and staff are available during those times. We have some kind of or different kinds of predictive analytics. We have the predictive models, and as the word suggests, these are just representation of the relationship between how a member of a sample and some of the known characteristics of the sample. So the relationship between two variables, and this with the name of assessing how likely a similar member from another sample is likely to behave. So, and this model is used a lot in marketing. It helps in identifying implied patterns or trends, and also this kind of analytics has been used at crime scene to predict who the suspect may be based on the data collected at the scene. And and this in like we have predictive analytics being used together with the IoT. We have some devices like the 3D laser scanner, which makes crime scene reconstruction easier and faster. So having this maybe model created, the predictive model, the investigator don't have to even have to be at the actual crime scene to be able to examine uh, the nature of that scene. But they can be able to examine it from their they can be able to examine it from their office or home. Yeah? And all these images and other data are stored for future references. We have the other type of predictive analytics. We have the descriptive modeling, and this describes the events and relationship between the factors. So basically, these are used by uh, we have a way we can check. This is in relation to businesses. Like businesses can be able to understand its customer and still need to play this kind of modeling, the predictive modeling, to help bring out the desired results. We have some methods used in predictive analysis. We have machine learning techniques, we have regression techniques, and we have a simple application, a real life application of machine learning technique being used in predictive analytics. We have this email classification, the spam email classification, which is done without any human intervention. So anytime you receive a discount or a promotional email, it will be a spam. Yeah? It will not be in your inbox together with the legit emails. So that's a way on how machine learning automate that task for spam, classifying the spam and harm emails. We have other machine learning techniques so I've mentioned on the email spam filtering. We have the web search results, which is common in our everyday activities, and this is done by by machine learning. Yeah, so those are just few of techniques used under predictive analytics.